I'm dipping in my Seperate. I'm bouncing in my Seperate. I'm riding in my Seperate.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Seperate 254. You tune in for another one. This is also JDS better than the rest. I need another channel. Not to say that I don't love y'all, because I do, but I feel, and I need y'all feedback on this, I feel that I'm only hurting or cheating y'all if I start putting the video game content and the photography videos on this channel. But I want to talk to y'all first, because we close, we family, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no cool name for y'all like the G Squad or Organic Land or Donkey Gang, or I ain't got no name for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, we just family, you know what I'm saying? So I need to know, and I'm pretty sure I already know the answer to this, but I know that I'm probably not the only one who's like this, you know what I'm saying? I know there are some of y'all who, while you like to work on cars, you also game, you know what I'm saying? You video game, you play your systems, you know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm a PS4 guy. I do got an Xbox. I probably wouldn't stream that unless I was collabing with my sister, who's also thinking about like starting like a YouTube channel, streaming thingamajigga-bobbing. Yeah. So I feel like I need another channel where I can put my streaming videos for video games, where I can put my photography videos when I feel like dropping them. Like, video game will probably be like the main content, and then maybe throw some photography in there. I know we kind of talk about photography on here a little bit. The videos that I put up, I don't know if I just didn't tag them, they just didn't do that well, or what's the fuck going on with them. But it seems that out of my audience, y'all not here for that, and I totally understand. Like, I got that. You don't need your car dude being your photographer, or maybe you do need your car guy being your photographer. I don't know, and that's why we here having this conversation. So you let me know down in the comments below what it is that you think. What do you think? You know what I'm saying? I want your feedback. It's important to me that I know, you know what I'm saying, do I just make videos and put them in a certain playlist? Do I just do a whole nother channel? Do I just do what I want to do? You know what I'm saying? And y'all gonna rock with me regardless. You know what I'm saying? Because I really feel like I should be able to put everything on this channel, because no matter what I do, it's still me. These are my interests, things of that nature. It's not like I'm trying to do everything. It's not like I'm knitting and sewing and, you know, everything. So I feel like video games, streaming, and photography coming to the channel could be a good thing. But if y'all not really feeling that, I don't know if like I'm famous enough to like, I'm not famous enough to create a poll, I don't think. So I was gonna see, because I was gonna do the same thing. I was gonna make a Twitter. Like, if I made a Twitter, then I could like make a poll, and then y'all could go on a Twitter and answer the poll. So I don't really know that many people that use Twitter. So y'all let me know. Number one, if I start putting up photography videos and video game streams and reviews well, not necessarily reviews, just, you know, maybe it's some guys out there in the car community, swap community that play video games as well. You know what I'm saying? And like we all maybe link up and, you know, we all gaming and, you know, doing something like that. Like, how would you feel? You know what I'm saying? Like, I need these are ideas that I have. You know what I'm saying? I think it could bring us together closer as a community, because as guys who, you know, work on cars, we might get into video games too. The photography stuff is just like, man, I really got another channel for that already. So but we can talk camera stuff if y'all need the assistance. I know that a couple of guys have seen this setup for my GoPro and they've been like, man, that shit works good, the audio sounds good, the video's good, I'm gonna rock with this shit myself. So it ain't all bad, you know what I'm saying? It ain't all bad. But yeah, I just need to know, y'all let me know down in the comment section below what y'all think. I want your feedback, you know what I'm saying? I don't want you to think that I'm gonna take what you say as a gospel, but because y'all are my family, I have to listen to y'all and listen for that feedback, you know what I'm saying? So I think what it could do is bring in more people to the channel, you know what I'm saying? That's one benefit, you know what I'm saying? Instead of taking away from the channel that I already have built, you know what I'm saying, with my bare hands, I feel like that it could be we could bring in more traffic from video game channels and, you know what I'm saying, maybe photographer channels or, you know, stuff like that. It'll bring more traffic to the channel, but it will always be mainly about the LS stuff. The video games and the photography will really be like subcategories, if you may. So while all of these things make up who Seperate 254 is, I just need to know if they belong on the channel and how you would feel about it, because I care about what my viewers think. So hold on. Oh, time to go live. Alright, y'all, so it's your boy Seperate 254. Identify your weaknesses and making your strengths. Gone.